We collect river water from around the world. We also blog about rivers and related topics. For this post, you will learn about Jamaica's Black River. 5 key points. Number 1, Jamaica's Black River, Rio Cobre Negro. A cultural and ecological icon known for the Black River morass and endangered American crocodiles, was transformed into a destructive force by Hurricane Melissa. Number 2, the Turbocharged Water Cycle is the term for water cycle intensification, a consequence of climate change where a warmer atmosphere holds significantly more moisture, about 7% more per 1 degree Celsius, leading to extreme precipitation intensity. Number 3, this intensity maximized the river's fluvial geomorphology, creating a devastating surge that caused deep scour and transported an estimated 5 million tons of sediment, permanently widening and deepening the channel. Number 4, the flooding created a new hydrology for the region, forcing the redefinition of floodplains and creating new, unstable alluvial fans from massive debris flows. Number 5, Jamaica is now tasked with climate-proofing infrastructure by acknowledging that historical flood data is obsolete and must be replaced by models predicting flows 30% to 50% higher than historical maximums.